today?
Yes.
How's it going?
It's going all right.
Excellent. What are you doing today?
I'm skydiving.
All right, buddy. Any specific reason why you came out today?
Just to get it off my bucket list. Yeah.
I dig that. Right on. So anything you want to say to the camera?
No, just a little nervous. Yeah, so we'll get it done.
Okay. Excellent. We're going to have a great time.
All right, sounds good.
Cool. So we're going to go up to 12,500 feet.
Okay.
We're going to fall at 120 miles an hour, terminal velocity.
Yeah.
And we're going to smile and have so much fun.
That's what I'm here for.
Excellent. High five. I'll see you in the air.
All right. Just drop down the balcony.
Just like that. Yep. I'll be right behind you.
Okay.
B, she's a little crazy, so she's gonna be hanging on the outside of the plane like a superhero. Alright. You're gonna feel a ready, set, go.
Okay.
On go, push your hips forward. Put your head up. Perfect. Alright, now step out.
Okay.
So at that point, you had just jumped out of an airplane. And I'll be right behind you.
Alright.
You're gonna be arching those hips.
Yeah.
Arch, arch, arch. And legs on my butt.
Right.
Cool. Keep your hands on the harness until you feel this.
Okay.
Once you feel that, you can start waving.
Got it.
Sound good?
All right.
You want to pull the parachute?
Sure. Yeah.
Good.
That'd be bad.
Good. I'm glad you're really, definitely positive about that. All right, so slap your hands, put your hands up like this. Sorry, it was my fault.
Alright, buddy. I'll see you in the air. Alright. Yeah, buddy! Woo!
How you feeling, man?
Feel good. Oh,
Yeah, buddy.
holy shit. That was amazing. Oh. Holy crap.
Want to take off your helmet so you can get a couple pictures with Andy?
See that plane?
That's what we jumped out of.
Awesome. Welcome to the world of skydiving. All right.
Well done, man.
Thanks, man.
That's seriously.